Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a beautiful little cleated inclined elevator by Omega Design. Has a large stainless steel hopper. Of course, the interlocks type chain, that's about 12 inches wide. You've got cleats at 9 inches, 3 inches high. And of course, as most of you know, these can snap in and out of that type of chain. You got a nice clean out door on the side. It's operating on 120 volt, single phase. The unit has no controller, so we're providing one of our in-house testing controllers. We're using it and you see it running on now. A nice feature to have the gooseneck at the top to extend out under equipment you are feeding. Gives you a little more room to work around. The nice big bulk hopper, once again, big help. And of course, you see we have these inverted for storage. You got a lot of room if you want to move up or down to meet different heights. We have lots of equipment in packaging and processing in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And one more, we're just going to show you, turning up slightly. Little conveyor speed, just to show you that conveyor speed is working nicely. So once again, we do hope to hear from you and look forward to helping you with your equipment needs. Thanks for joining us today for this video.